In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom citations to your Copilot Studio bot using generative orchestration. To get started, open your Copilot Studio dashboard and select the bot you want to update. This is the bot where you'll configure the response behavior and control how citation information is shown to users. Starting from the correct bot is important, especially if you manage more than one project. Once you're inside the bot, go to the navigation menu on the left and click on Settings. This is where the main configuration options for your bot are managed, including the AI behavior and knowledge setup we'll be working with in this tutorial. From the settings options, select Generative AI to open your orchestration settings. This area controls how the bot handles AI-generated responses and how it uses connected knowledge sources to answer user questions more intelligently. Here, make sure generative orchestration is turned on. Enabling this allows your bot to process more advanced prompts and generate richer answers based on your connected content. If this setting is off, the custom citation workflow won't function the way you expect. Next, scroll down to the knowledge section and connect the data source or website you want your bot to use. This source provides the content that the bot can reference when generating answers. Make sure the source you connect contains the information you want the bot to cite, since those details will feed directly into the answer generation process. After that, open the topics page and either create a new topic or edit an existing one where you want to apply your custom logic. This gives you a place to control exactly how the bot responds and how the citations will be presented in the conversation. Now add a Create Generative Answers node to your topic flow. This node is what allows the bot to generate an answer from your connected knowledge source, making it the core part of this setup. In the node properties, map your data source and configure the output variables so you can capture the citation details. This step is especially useful because it gives you access to the citation information separately, letting you format it in a way that's clearer or more customized for your users. Then add a message node below the Generative Answers node. Use this message to display the response and manually format the citation links with variable interpolation. This gives you more control over the final output and helps ensure the citations appear in a clean, readable way. Finally, save your changes and test the bot in the chat pane to confirm that your custom citations appear correctly. Review both the answer and the citation formatting so you can make any needed adjustments before publishing. Thank you for watching this guide on custom citations in Copilot Studio, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.